Okay, so I've got a real old dishwasher here, and having a few problems with it draining and a bit of leaking, but all it really needs, one, you can take this apart, clean out the inside there where it drains. But the actual drain thing, the very back here, is all you need. So, get in here. Oh, that out. Two. Now, I think some of them have 3 or 4 bolts, but this one, for some reason, I think 2 are missing. So, again, this is an old dishwasher. So, all you got to do is right in here. In here. Yeah. Okay, now you see, this is old. This is probably the original one, and it's all rotting away like that. So, we got the new one here. Get that off Amazon for $14.99. Then over here, put your new one in. Make sure it's going in straight. And then once you got that in, oh, wrong way. Go. 1, 2. There we go. All done. Nice and easy and cheap.